Hi everyone, in the purpose of today's tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to share your Google document as a view-only document. So the first thing you need to do is look up in the right-hand corner of your document and go ahead and select the blue share button. Once you select that share button, you'll see a couple of options here, but if we just want to share this with people so that they can view it, the first thing we need to do is go under the Get the Link option and hit the Change button. Once you select the Change button, you will see a little drop-down menu right here. Now you can see that anyone with the link will be able to view this document. As long as it says View, you are good to go. So you can copy the link if you would like to share it this way, or you could go ahead and type in the group members' names or anybody that you wanted to share it with up in here, their email, just like that.